Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Ayesha from Life of an Ayesha. Today's video is not a makeup tutorial. It is something that I do at home to take care of my skin. I am going to show you a facial routine that you can do easily at home, and you can find all the products in your kitchen. All the products that I'm using are natural, so there are no chemicals involved. And if you have a skin like mine, which is oily and sensitive at the same time, this is the best video for you. So let's begin the video. The first step is cleanser, and first using with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Next I'll be adding the coriander juice. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of this powerful antioxidant to the lemon juice. Now if you can see, I'm just going to mix it up. Once I'm done mixing it up with the help of a cotton pad, then I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Apply this liquid on your lips as well, because lemon juice and coriander juice works like magic on your lips. So when you're done with this, let it sit for 5 minutes. Let your face dry up a bit and then wash your face. Or now I'm using the mixture for aloe vera and coriander on my face. I have 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. I'm adding the blended coriander leaf mixture. Now just mix. Once you're done mixing it, using the cotton pads again, dip it in the mixture, apply it, then apply it on your face. Now leave it on your face for 5 to 10 minutes or until it dries down. Sorry, not out. Just wash it off with water. Now comes the scrub part. For the scrub I've already grated half a cucumber and 2 tablespoons of oats. I'm adding some milk to this mixture, just enough to make it into a paste. Now once I'm done with that, I'm just going to add the coriander juice. It's a natural scrub. It will remove all the dead skin from your face and neck. So let's get started. Now I am going to let it sit on my skin for at least 10 minutes or until it is completely dried, and then I'm going to wash it off with water. I'm not yet done with the entire cleanup, but see how glowy my skin looks now, how fresh it is looking. Now comes the last step. Now it's the face pack time. I'm starting off with using the Indian healing clay. You can use any type of fuller's earth that you have at home. Taking 1 tablespoon of fuller's earth, 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, 1 tablespoon of the coriander mix, and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix everything well together. Now apply it on your face. So let it sit on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes or until it is completely dried down, and then just wash it off with. So I have removed the face pack. Now the last part, the toner for the face, which you can leave it on your face. Now using a cotton pad, dip it in this mixture. Just apply it on your face. And that's it. The entire face cleanup routine is done. As you can see by looking at my skin, how glowy and how clean it looks. It has no chemicals, no preservatives, everything is natural and it works wonders for your skin. So try this natural DIY face cleanup at home, and Do let me know if you want to see more videos like this in the comment section. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more content. Goodbye.